Alright, are we up? Yes, we are. Awesome. Let's see who's gonna pop up by today. There was something I wanted to do. Let's see if it works. Let's do it. Oh wait. My bad, my bad. So okay, my chat's working properly because it seems like I cannot see YouTube chat. And then I'll go and share my Steam on the Brackeys server. Oops. Almost close my engine. We go. Switch it up. See how is that rotating exactly. So basically I made the see-through wall function. Hey Zelda, you really didn't come yesterday like you said. It was lonely without you, mate. It was lonely. How you doing? How are things? How was yesterday at work? Unfortunate. Oh, you did? Epic. Let me show you what I made today before I started the stream. I didn't want to start yet, so look, you can see the biscuit behind the wall now. So you can see when somebody picks it up and they run, you can see where the biscuit is. Much better, right? Also now you can slam more people in the face. You can slam anybody now. In the past I made it so you can only slam the guy with the biscuit, which now I feel like it's really not good. Now you can slam only now you can slam all of them. And multiple too if they are in a group. And also I made it so you do the dodge on space. So you can jump normally, but if you press a second time very fast, you can jump, you can like dash with space as well. So it also jumps and dashes if you press fast enough. Yes, that is way better. Ooh, new app. What do you do? You gonna scam people again? I'm kidding. Also, yesterday I made those obstacles. So we got the slippery slips. You slip and fall down, and also there's those shopping carts blocking the way around. It's just a bit hard to push them. I can make them harder to push, but I feel like it's pretty nice to like disturb the player a bit. It scans, not scams. Oh, what does it scam though? And among other things, yesterday what I also did was increase performance for the game. So I reduced the size, the download size. I got it down to 209 megabytes from 300. Not a lot, but you know, with a real engine, it's hard with all the stuff it packs inside. And also improve performance. It looks a bit lower quality, but honestly, I feel like it adds to it. And now it should run better on more systems. Also, like a warehouse app for people with lots of packages, stuff like that. Cool. You knock down the shelves. Oh man, I don't know, because like all those stuff are one thing, and I feel like that might actually get very performance heavy eventually. Of course, I can disable the physics after a while to save performance, but all those stuff you see on the shelves are with the shelf, so I can't exactly separate them unless I render everything separately, and that's gonna be oof. Okay, for one thing though, got an ad. I'm looking at my create dashboard and I don't see anything. I'm at the stream manager. I'm eating ice cream. Be tasty. Yo, what the fuck? Why you subscribe? God damn, he subscribed. Thank you. Thanks, I really appreciate that. Please don't do it again. But thank you. Yeah, my second ever subscriber. Yeah, I was saying thank you. In case you didn't hear. Nothing. Literally nothing. I'm just eating ice cream. I was waiting for the ad to go. Oh man. He described what an epic guy. Rich people. Yeah. um wait. Show your picture. Yeah, this one. This ice cream. This one. Tasty. Okay, let's get back to it. So right now, when I start the game, the biscuit it's already deleting everything around it, and that's not what I want. I want to disable that and only enable it when it's needed. But how do I do that? Because, like, see, for example, let me take this guy away. For example, when I pick it up and I go against this wall, see, it cuts away from the wall. Here it's okay, this is how it's supposed to be. Oh god. But then when you do stuff like this, it's not great. But I wouldn't know how to check this. Oh, my Magnum ice cream for my Magnum. Epic. So first things first, I wanted to see how it looks without the empty stuff. Whoa, did I make it so big? Ah, damn, boy. Maybe these AIs are. Oh yeah, have you seen my video yesterday? I made AI randomizer. Look at this. Let me disable collision. Look at them. Different colors, different clothes, different skin. Some of them are even bald. Some have hair. Hey, thanks. Bald. Yeah, wait, I think this one I made it off stream. Yeah, this one I think I made it last night before sleep, so it was off stream. So you are basically the first to see this now. Because I was too tired to start streaming. I didn't know how long I would stream, how long I will work on this, so I just, gave up and just streamed a bit. When I pick it up, it's like this. But it's not exactly cutting the way I thought it would. Like, it's supposed to cut all the way through this. And what the hell? This is weird. Like the collision is not being respected. What's the collision for this? No boundaries respect, alright? Oh, not this. Why is it not finding the new cube I made? Oops. Yeah, I want to see the collision for this. Yeah, it just has a simple collision, simple box collision, so what the hell? Maybe it's not collision based. Then what is it based on? It's based on this. See if we do a 20 here. Oh no. It's not responding. Come on, the real, please come back. Oh, it didn't come back. God damn it, the real, what the hell? Real do be like that. Unfortunately. Come on. It looks like we have the cube here at least. Wonder how can I... It's something I want to do, but I don't know how to do it. I would have thought fall off would mean it makes it faded, but it's just pushing it further. Oh yeah, because I'm using opacity mask, that's why. If I switch this to translucent instead, switch this to opacity. Yeah, now it's faded. Which, hey, doesn't look too bad if you ask me. Okay. But everything is looking weird now because of the... Oh wait, no, is it the fall off? It's not the fall off. Things are looking weird. You can see through it. I use complicated. Is it because of this? It's just how it is. It's translucent. That sucks then. Need to switch it back to opacity, unfortunately. Where's the additive? Are you gonna crash again? Crashing a lot lately. It looks good, but you saw the way it makes it. It makes all the material transparent and weird. So never mind. Oh my god! What the hell, Unreal? It's been really going lately. I think this is just simply a Real Engine 5 issue, because I never had issues like this so much with... Can you go away already? With what was it called? Real Engine 4. That's what I was trying to say. Alright. Yahya Tube. Hi, hello on YouTube. How you doing? What's up? You working on a jam too? or just here to watch my failures. So it's mostly. Oh god, there they come. Ah, damn. That sucks. Yeah, it's hard to get it running well for everybody. I don't know. Let me enable the chat. Because like on my PC I tested on my wife's laptop. I tested, yeah, but yeah, it's hard to get it working for everybody. I will be sure to add settings, so maybe at least with settings it would become more playable for some people. But as of right now, this is the best I can do, I guess. They're coming. Oh god. Biscuit. Cut his way. Take the biscuit. Dodge. Whoa. Oh, I got stuck. Here, fuck. I think I made the stamina recover too fast though. You can just keep spamming this, they can never catch up to you, ladies. Unless I just give them more speed. I made it. Yeah, I'm gonna add that actually. When I add the houses, I will have NPCs on standby for when you get out of the shop, and as you get closer, like they will just be standing here in front of their own houses, and when you get out, they will start chasing you when they see you with a biscuit. And thank you, Yaha. Yeah. It's hard to pronounce the name. Yeah, it's a bit of a tongue twister for me. But thanks, I'm glad you like the concept. Just never really knew what to do here, so just made this. Okay, so let's make it so the biscuit doesn't cut the wall unless it has to hide the wall. Yeah, Zelda, we'll have enemies like that, yep. They'll be just outside waiting for you to come. Well, I guess the simplest way right now is just do not hide it at the very start, and that's about it. The branch picked up. It is. Hey, no, not this, because this one, then if the biscuit falls out of somebody's hands, it's not visible anymore. Picked up is picked up by AI. I need to make another boolean, goddamn, to check the very first time when it's picked up. This will be called by the player. It's set to false by default. Yeah, are you working on your own game? Or you come just to give me feedback? I guess when it comes to optimization, that's the hardest part for me, because I never really know how to make it work on multiple platforms. What I did with the latest version last night though, I disabled a lot of Unreal's high performance stuff. I disabled DirectX 12 and I only left DirectX 11. So that should make it a lot more compatible with many machines. So DirectX 12 is basically essential at this point, but since it's for a jam game, I thought, okay, just make it simple. It will reduce the space as well for the download. Maybe if I render it as Vulkan, maybe as Vulkan it will work great for everybody. Let's see. Okay. So pick a biscuit. Pick a biscuit. Set picked up. Here. Okay, so it's not hiding the shelf, and I pick it up, and it's still not hiding the shelf for some reason. Okay, wait, what's wrong here? Oh, I didn't check it. My bad. Okay, now I pick it up. What the hell? Oh, first pick. God damn it. Pick. Yep. First pick. Okay, there we go. Now it hides the meshes around. Try to make it as thin as I could. That's changing. Where's the biscuit? Why the biscuit so tiny here? Changing this actually affect? I don't even know what I made anymore. Oh yeah, it does. It becomes like this, which is not visible. It is not visible. Oh, that was too big. Way too big. I mean, it's visible, but too big. Okay, I think this works pretty well. Though sometimes I was considering if I should make a see-through wall, like glow through the wall. But that one doesn't work on mobile. And I'm not sure how to make it without post-processing. It became more funny now that you can slam everybody. What's up with these guys? Why are they ending up in the floor? Wait, do I not have the check running anymore for the... Oh yeah, I disabled the sweep. Okay. And there's something I can do. Where's my character not falling down? 8078. And let's see if I go biscuit guy, break these and put it to 80. This way, even if I fall, should be able to get back up, no problem. Now they're gonna come. They're there. Stamina is it's recovering way too fast. So what's my FPS right now? 120. And you know what's the shitty thing with Unreal? A lot of things are dependent on your current FPS. So say timers, event tick, stuff like that, where you used to replenish your stamina, for example, over time. For people with lower FPS, people with lower FPS will have slower stamina, which is something that's I don't know how to fix really. No idea. Like I said, no idea. Really no idea. You know, Unreal has its own pause function, like pause game. This thing can mess up your timers. So when you pause the game and you got timers running while you pause the game, when you go back, your timers will get really messed up. Wengi. Yes, very Engi. Meow. Yeah, you'd think that, right? But look, Unreal being weird. I need to look more into it, do more research on how to work around that. But for now, I don't really have timers running beside the stamina, so it should be fine when I'm at the pause option. I do have an issue here though. Maybe not. Also, I'm not sure why for that split of a second there's that weird twitching. I should use teleport. Let's see if teleport fixes it. Nope, doesn't fix shit. I remember this wasn't an issue before, so I don't know why now it's happening. So I have this function here which sets my actor's location, like the whole actor, to follow its mesh. But when it starts following, there's always that weird jerk. Otherwise works okay, I guess. Another thing that I should do though, when I go into ragdoll, I should disable movement, so I cannot move my character. Now, where am I doing the ragdoll? Yeah. Disable. There's this. Oh hey, wait, that actually, that wait, no, something's not right. No, the spring arm doesn't have collision. I disabled it. The collision test is disabled. It's the actor sudden change in location that makes it happen, I guess. But it happens anyway, like even if I don't have a lot of movement. Like for that split frame, my actor's location goes somewhere else. And then it finally starts updating accordingly. And hi, Water Lemon. Thanks for popping by. Happy to see you. Does this still happen with the sweep? Yes, it does. Sadly, I can never see what's exactly happening. Like I tried one time to set the time dilation to 0.1, but it still happens so quick that you just cannot see it. What if we do it by a timer set by 1 second? Would we be able to see? I doubt it. 0.1, call it 1. Date. Event. Let's see. Nothing. Wait, why is it not updating my location? Oh, I didn't change the name. It could be just an unreal bullshit. What if I use this with like 0.01 instead of eventing? Doesn't have the jerk. It's not super smooth, so I could make it smaller. How many times is 0.003% per second? This is more than the frames I have. asking GPT to calculate. Okay, so this is way more. My bad. Not good with math. Yeah, I could do that. Let's see where it sends us. Yeah, like I thought, it starts at 0. So the event tick starts us at 0 first, and then it goes to the right place. That's why the camera goes weird, because for that one frame we go to 0, actually to location 0 on the map. How the hell does that happen? This thing fires before it even gets any location here. Weird. How would you fix this? When simply this runs before it gets the result from this. I don't know, it's just the real bullshit. It's just the real bullshit. I know it doesn't make sense, but it is happening. Ay, boy. You know what I can do though? I know how to fix it. We fix it like this. We save our location. We save our location all the time. And then when this starts, it will already know the last location. This should fix it. It didn't fix it. Ow. Wait, what the hell? Everything was at 0? What? Oh, wait. I didn't plug it in, my bad. But wait, how is this happening? Like, we already writing the location. So then it's this that's simply the issue. It already has the location, but it needs to start at 0 first. Why? Because like, look, we are saving the location right now, right? The location is being constantly updated. And this should allow us, right, to oh god. How do you mess this up though? Wait. He's an impact. He hit the ground. He hit the ground too hard. Yep. It's still happening. I don't get it though. How? Why does... Like, we are currently saving the location as we go, right? So how does it still go 0 when suddenly this is called? What bullshit is this? Damn. Where's the eventing? Where's my eventing? I don't know. Only I work with the eventing. 0.03 is too fast. Um, 0.08. Ah. Jerkness. I don't like that jerkness. Thing I need to do when I press space to recover from ragdoll. Enable. Okay, so this one is disable movement. How the fuck do I enable movement? Activate. Enable. Not enable. Activate. Stop, activate, move. What the fuck is this? Let's try activate, I guess. What is reset? I'm not able to activate back my movement for some reason. Need to set movement. Blocking. That work. Oh yeah, that works. Look at that, it's not jerking anymore. And the camera follows smoothly now when you fall. Nice. Epic. What if I'm sprinting really fast when I fall here? Everything's okay, it seems. Okay, nice. It's working. Very nice. Oh. Okay, so we are running the timer basically as fast as running a tick. So why do we not have the weird jerkness when we don't use tick? Look at that, so smooth. I pick up the biscuit. The motherfucker's gonna come. And I'm gonna go around here, and through here, and through here. And I'm sure they're coming for me right now so fast. Look at him. Oh god. Oh shit. They're trying to corner me. Oh. Everybody's down. Grab the biscuit. Oh, whoa. Where am I? Wait, how did this happen? What the hell? What the hell was that? Where am I? What the fuck? How did I get here? Okay, you know what? I think we need to use the sweep. For a second and I'm gone. Let's use the sweep. This will ensure that this kind of thing don't happen, I guess. So it won't look as nice anymore. It's a bit more jerky now. This no weird business, I guess. Coming. They're coming. Whoa. Give me my biscuit. Son of a bitch. Oh god. We just keep falling down. A biscuit. Yes, you can. Look at that. Slipped. Ah. Ah. You can also, like, if you do it proper, you can get the AI to sleep on the on the oil. One thing I need to do for the biscuit guy, I need to increase his pickup. Here come the bots. Yeah, do bots, end your career early. They wait because there's a reason why they wait. Well, let me do something real quick so it's easier to see. An empty material. This one too. The reason why they wait is because I made it so they know how to avoid this. So this way, if the biscuit is inside the oil, they're not gonna go for it. If it's too far inside, they might still go for it though if it's close enough to one of them. God. Give me the biscuit. Biscuit for the biscuit. Let's try to do it here. Oh, they still managed to grab it because I increased their detection sphere. So I guess that's an issue fixed. Nice. And I should go make the houses, I guess. the doors. There's the doors. Side away the grid because it's annoying me. So these are basically like, think of it as the door. So it seems like can fit it nicely, but I guess it will have to do. And then I'll put a house behind. Can players even see the houses? I'm around here. But I can barely see anything. Let me see, how do I... Oh, that. Don't want to set the camera lower. I feel like this is how it's good how it is. Okay, blender. That's it. Grab the houses. Oh, any nice games? Ooh, Snake Eater is available. Nice. Yeah, this. Oh, it's added to my wish list. That's right. Next time, when I have time, one day I'll play it. EX mesh selected only. That's about it. Biscuit 1. Worth it. No, this. Only compute normals. Autosave. Much appreciated though. Oh, damn, it's huge, boy. So they export this. Yeah, 0.01, 0.1. Now I feel like it's too tiny. What's wrong here? Oh, some of my normals are not right, it seems. Oops, oops, oops. Mesh normals recalculate outside. Mesh. 0.3. Okay, things are still broken somehow. What the door? It looks like some weird LOD if you ask me. Everything else is okay. Yeah, everything else is good beside the front door. What is wrong with the front door? I look here, it looks totally fine. Kind of issues. The pain. Pain and suffering. So ugly. Wait, could it be because of the? Oh no, it looks like simply. Simply the mesh gets imported weird like that. What? Let's check the LOD. Import LODs. Auto compute LODs. Yeah, why is this happening? How is the transform for this? What I do? Apply the transform. What can we do here to fix this issue? Geometry. Plan modifiers. Export subdivision surface. Really have no idea, to be honest. Alright, Zelda, bye bye. Have fun. Thanks for popping by. Nope, still broken. And do Google it. What if I subdivide them? Just because why not? It looks different but still broken somehow. Oh god, okay. Delete. Copy this one. Evo, copy in editor. This. What happens if I just export the door itself? The door itself looks fine. And I just export the door. Who's this one? This one. Finish. Where's the finish? Always a problem issue. Why is it always finding a skeleton? I don't get it. Game. Nothing's broken. And this is not what I want. Details. Oof. Let's put this as a single mesh. Moving. Sad. As long as I'm bringing all of them separately, that's it. It breaks. And I have literally no idea why. Oh no! Oof. No, I deleted the whole map. Hold on. Kinda need the door separate anyway. Oh. Clean this up. Here. What the hell is this? Well, okay, it's simpler textures. Yep. Okay. Let's again do this, but without the door. Hey, I don't want the door. Export FBX. FBX. One. Oh wait, no, I'm supposed to join them. My bad. Join. Win. Active object is not selected. What do you mean? This is what I want to join. What the hell? You still want to make me press everything? Everything. How do I rename things? Damn you, Blender. Can you just let me rename like normal people? Now I can know what's what. Something I should have done earlier. Okay, let's select everything here. Move it back. This one and select this. Set origin 3D cursor. Let's export it. I think it's a bit huge. Export house. There was an issue. No smooth thing groups. Well, I don't want smooth thing anyway. You're supposed to be all nice and flat. Shade flat. What's the UVs looking like for this? Oh god, what is this? Smart. There we go. That's one overlap. Oh, why is everything yellow? This bottom side is not supposed to be yellow. Will be the same color as the window frame. What FBX? The pain and the suffering. Let's re-import it properly. Looking fine. Great. Well, I need to work on the audio for the game. For the door now. Let's try this door. Something like this. Set the origin to. Sorry. Around. For this or there we go. I think good now. No idea what was wrong with it earlier. Yesterday. Earlier. Okay. Oh, now time to add some houses. Some simple houses like this. Decor. Basically. Oh, wait, before I start copy pasting, I should really adjust the sizes properly. Why is my engine open? Oh, coming, Mighty. Hi, Mighty. How you doing, brother? For me, it's going great. From tomorrow on, I can get to the non-gameplay stuff. So that means it's getting closer to finishing. Yesterday, did you stream? I did try to check your account, but didn't catch you at the right time, I guess. Let's put this guy here. Oh, yeah, needs to be way smaller. Way smaller. Oh, why is this shrinking weird? Wait, how many are there? No, it's the same game from yesterday. Same game. Look at this, I made a way to see through the wall. The biscuit. So if you drop the biscuit and it's behind the wall, you can see. God damn it, it's not big enough. I need to make it big. Ow! Thank you, thank you. Appreciate that. Lots of improvements. Added traps around. Now you can bonk anybody. It's great. Hey, have you moved to Unreal? Remember we were talking about it in the past on your stream that you might try Unreal Engine. I have a feeling that you might have not, or did you? Would be great if you did. That's cool. Does this look big enough for a person? Also, you are playing around with it. I mean, that's what I like to hear. I've recommended the engine to many people in the past and they don't even open it at all. So, you know. Oh yeah, go ahead, please. It's gonna be great with it. Wish you all the best, man. Hope you make it. Yeah, just a simple house, you know, add more variety to the map. Though, you know what's the thing? You don't even see it. It's not colliding for some reason. I'm supposed to. It's supposed. Oh no, it's set to no collision. Is he gonna break me when I'm falling? Don't like it. Now let's see when I'm hitting something. No, still nothing. Weird. How about when I hit like an NPC? No, no pickups. I don't like pickups, to be honest. Not a fan. The whole point of the game anyway is to just grab the biscuit and make it home before the AI comes and eats it. So, no extra stuff. It's just pure survival. Let him go. Oh god, madness. So it's like a battle royale for the biscuit. Get them, they are relentless. Tricked you there. You can actually trick the NPC to fall on the... Ooh. Damn. Yeah. Are you still working on your game? What was it, in Godot? Don't give up, man. Give up. Just move the houses like this and I can change their colors later. Just to add some variation. Oh god, wait, I should actually also set the door first before I start pasting houses around, otherwise I have to do the door manually as well. Man, you're no pro yet. Take your time. Feel free to take breaks, but always come back. Where's my door? Door. That's my door. My door is huge. It is huge. Now I can paste them together. You know what? I should adjust them as I paste them. Oops, there's another one inside this one. And you know, even game studios take many years to make a playable game. What about us, little plebs? Am I right? Oh, Angel, hello. You did pass by. So happy to see you. How you doing? How's your day? Just working here, doing my best to make something good. I want to see how the houses look from the outside. And of course, this son's a bitch is gonna come after me. Whoa. Oh, God. Thanks for taking it outside. I appreciate that. Well, you can kind of see the houses. I guess that's good. Oh, no stamina. So if I recall today, Angel, you won't be streaming any Unreal stuff. You'll be doing some gaming live stream, right? Oh man, sounds like you had an eventful time. No sleep, no internet, and work. God. Well, enjoy your rest now. Hope it's a good one. What thing? Wait, you didn't sleep at all? Damn. Ooh, doing game dev. That's epic. My poor Biden. Ugly as well. Trying to get as much work done as I can. Let's put some houses on the other side as well. So I wouldn't want to block the way of the camera. Okay, we'll see. Oh man. Really, so nice to see some people in my chat as well. Usually it's pretty quiet. Earlier I had Zelda around who kept me company, but it's rare to see people come by. To be honest, it seems that simply people are not a fan of Unreal Engine games streams, unfortunately. Let's add the doors. And something like that, I guess. Oh. Thank you. I guess a fellow real dev would understand. Something that I spent my morning on today was making a way to see the biscuit through the wall. So now when you get behind the wall, the biscuit is still visible, like that. So you know where the biscuit is. Though it looks like I need to increase the detection a bit more. Ah! Got terminated. I will increase the detection later. But yeah, I'm proud of that one. Never done something like that one before, so nice. And you know, when you make a little game, not everything needs to be perfect. For the most part, it's not perfect anyway, right? So just needs to be playable and fun. Real can be really tiring sometimes, huh? Alright. Every time I do those streaming sessions where I stream for a couple of hours, by the end I'm completely pooped. Don't have mood for anything anymore. I just lay down to go watch a movie or anime, and that's about it. That's the end of my day. Oh no, I feel you. I also try my best to make my games as perfect as I can, but sometimes, you know, you gotta cut corners. We are not, we are not massive studios. We cannot make everything really perfect. Otherwise, we'd never release a game. I remember in the past, like 5 years ago, when I was still learning. I'm still learning. We're all learning every time, every day. Um, the reason why I never released any game, because I was always stuck on those few things that I always wanted to make perfect, and that's how I never managed to release any game, because I'd always try to make it perfect. And I'm sure there would have been a better way to do this than manually placing all of them one by one, but here we are. How can I call this in another? I remember there was a way, but I don't remember exactly how. It's working, so I don't need a print anymore. Honestly, perfectionists are bad for business, as developers. Can never get things done because we always try to make it perfect. Then it just doesn't, it never comes out. Okay, so far so good. Another cube in here. Change the material to sure. My cats are murdering each other so hard right now. Copy paste this along. And I have times like this when I wonder, should I really be spending time on this? Should I be doing this? Is this gonna make my game run slower? I mean, it's a jam game. The simpler it is, the better, right? Okay. Don't call them. They're gonna eat your money. If they, I mean, go call them. Otherwise, they're gonna come and eat your money for nothing. This is 1 by 1. This is one of my most disliked parts, honestly, when you make the level. I prefer just to code. Coding is my favorite part. Anyway, once I'm done with this, once I'm done with making everything nicely like this, I'm just gonna combine all the actors so that it won't do like multiple draw calls anymore to save performance, because I'm not gonna move them around anymore after this, so I'll just leave them as they are. Alright, nice. Also, this doesn't have textures. I just noticed. I just realized no textures. Fence. Here. There we go. That looks a lot nicer now. Oh god. Oh god. Nice. That's a lot nice. Let's place the fences here as well, which we our own house. The door open. Like this. So add the separation in between. Simple one. And then I need to do the other side as well. God damn it. And it's quiet again. I'm doing my best to talk to myself like a crazy person. 80%. Wow, look at my little neighborhood. Epic. What's the material for this? Window. Okay. Let's change the window. It's not so bright. Wait, I can. What am I doing? Why am I doing that? So I can just change it for the model itself. Wait, no, I'm using this model somewhere else. God damn it. What the hell is there in the distance? See in a second. Oh wait, it is white by default. It's just the shadow. Yeah, I can go see if there's a snack. Wait, I should really make sure I save though. Got myself some flower seeds. South side. Not too bad. I think I should extend these where it reaches like this. Yeah. Like a pavement, I guess. Too tall. I guess all the next are too tall. When 30 minutes I need to order food. Meaning I'll still be streaming for an hour from now. It's not too bad. This kind of ending. Yeah. Pretty good. What the hell is this? Where is I cannot even tap on it. Oh, it's a spline. The hell, where are you from? Lost in there. Yeah, one thing I wanted to do was make the map smaller. Big at the moment. Visible outside? Shouldn't be. That's why we use tilted camera, people. Either way, the inconsistencies. Wrong. Yeah. Pretty nice. I think on this side I won't add houses. What I will add though is this. Oh. Something like this. Just to make it look like there's a house, but there's actually no house. Gotta play that, you know. This way it looks like there is a house, but there's actually no house. It's not supposed to be behind the fence, but the player cannot see the fence poking through. There's two doors here, bruh. They told this here too? No. Okay. It looks right in here. Oh, where'd you come from? Oops, I duplicated the ground as well. Keep grabbing the ground. Oh shit, there's two grounds. There are more than two. Okay. You could think of game developers as being really good magicians. Digital magicians, because we hide and trick the players. You know how it is. What they don't know, what affect them. Oh, it's all gone again. Oops, I pushed this one way too far. I'm glad I don't have internet issues anymore like I used to. Back in my home country, you would lose internet so easily and electricity. It sucked. It all looks good. I need to add the houses on that side. So here it does make it seem like there is houses, but there's actually no houses. You know though, gotta love America. All the houses look the same there. Maybe I'll see about changing the colors. Let's enclose the player's house. They cannot bullshit and go through. Add grass. There we go. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. It needs a pavement as well. What the hell is that? Where the hell are you? Ah, waypoint, bruh. Adding this here has to show the end of the road. Epic! Look at my neighborhood. Very nice. Okay, so through here we don't see the houses, but it looks like there is houses. And here we see houses. We go down the street. Houses on the left. That's on the right. Then we have our own house there. So put the door. Copy paste it. Flip it. Not upside down though. What the hell? To be fair, this is supposed to go like this. Only one axis is inverted. And this is not supposed to open this way, it's supposed to open this way. Goddamn, I put the pivot in the wrong place. Ain't that unfortunate? Okay. Please. Just a bit, and need to add like a black yeah, black cube. I need a cube. Okay, cube. Just needs a black material. There we go. Wish. That's how we enter the house. My neighborhood. Epic. Incredible house here. Feels kind of empty. Yeah, there we go. Yo, that's epic. Now, how do I change the colors? I want to make them at instance for each. That would suck. We need to clean the materials for this. We have to do that first. Let's save all. I'll close and open again to get a fresh go. Oh boy. So many chimneys. Okay, we'll apply them back afterwards. Keep your projects clean, people. Oh, Cloudhouse Games, hello. You're also inside? Are you also taking part of in the jam? That's what it sounds like. Oh shit, I just realized my... Oh no, I closed my app for text. For chat in the stream. My bad. So what you making, Cloudhouse Games? Come here to steal ideas from TangledUp Games. Okay. Let's fix the materials. Yeah. I think it's pretty fine. Okay. House door. I have a precision climber based around peaks of yore and wide knuckle movement with a retro 90s design. Flight test is up. Building the WebGL version. Man, lucky you can make. I mean, good for you, you can make web versions. Unreal simply cannot. Sounds awesome though. I'm gonna do game reviews once the jam is over, so be sure to pop by and give me your link game to try it out. I can still try it out now though. I'll go save it for later. It's H. Man, it looks like this thing is still not working. Nice. We need to add YouTube. Day 5. I did it, but it's not working for some reason. So each cloud house music games. And is it not possible to search for... Oh, there you are. Climbing for crumbs. That's the one? This is the game? Name your price, you want to steal my money. Yeah. Okay, I'll try it after the stream. Nice. Do your best, hope it comes out well. I'll see later how it is. Right now I just need to get my things working. You don't want to make it not ask for money. Wait. In here, when you go to edit your game, select no payment under pricing instead of 0 or donate. And that should be good. Man, why is my chat not working? My chat is not working. Stream's active. My YouTube stream is definitely active. Hey, they did it. Awesome job. Epic. What's my video ID this time on YouTube right now? Oh, damn, I almost pressed on end stream. It's Game Jam. Well, congrats on your first Game Jam. But it's not your first release game. Your first one is Dipsomniac playtest demo. Whatever this is. Oh god, that's red. I can barely read. You gotta go and adjust this because I can barely read. At least make it fully black. I This gives me Five Nights at Freddy's vibe somehow. Nice. They're trying to fix my chat. Oh, Zelda's back. Hi, Zelda. And the chat works for Twitch. It just doesn't work for YouTube. Bruh. Bruh. Oh, wait, is it this? What do I activate? Will it work? Loud House Games. Type something in the chat. Wait, I can type something actually. Okay. Does that work? It don't work for shit. Why is my chat not working? Wait, activate source. Okay. Now it might actually work. One more time. Oh, finally works. Nice. Epic. That's your passion project. Paused because you're working on the game jam. Nice. Very nice. Do your best. Do you want me to try the game now? I can try it now if you want. Maybe I can give you some feedback. Right. Unity. Let me save my progress. Hey Zelda. Zelda. Look at this. I made a little like neighborhood. Epic. Oh, got my ears. Let's give you guys some ear rape as well. It does look like a neighborhood. Settings. Oh, thank God you have this. My ears were suffering. God. Okay. Wait, I didn't see the controls. One second. You didn't write the controls. I guess it's simple. We'll see. Sorry. Oh hell! Wait, it even swings. Hell yeah! What? Oh, what the fuck? It's actually feeling very smooth. Whoa! This is hella smooth. Okay, it's an easy game to grasp. Wait, I'm doing my best here. Is that your hand? Ow! No! God damn! Come on! Oh, this is rough. This is very rough. Wait, why am I so tiny? I'm climbing on a fridge, I just realized. Climbing on magnets. So this is very momentum based, huh? Damn. It feels smooth though. So, yes, that's what the developer said as well, Zelda. Oh no! Yeah, I'm spamming space to be fair. God, I'm struggling. Sometimes I feel like I grabbed, but it doesn't grab. Yeah, like just now. Would it be a good idea to make it so... Wait, I can use... Oh shit, I can use right click as well. Ah! Oh, oh, saved it. No! Oh, I fell all the way. Not like I was very high anyway. Ah, damn it. Wow! Man, I think you need to be a bit more forgiving on the detection. Ooh! Look at that. I use both hands. Ooh. Oh, this is rough. Very tough. No, no, no! I have fallen and I've broken my leg. It is fun with the melon, what the lemon. It is. It's painful. Painfully fun, I guess, huh? Man, you gotta make the detection easier. Sometimes it really feels like I'm supposed to grab it, but it doesn't grab it. Ooh, ooh. My palms are sweating. Why are you making my palms sweat? How dare you? Oh, that's a really long way up. So I'm definitely not gonna ask for checkpoints or anything like that. All I'm asking for is make it easier to grab. Oh boy. See, this is what I'm afraid of when I'm gonna start streaming again and reviewing games for the jam. Getting one of those that makes me suffer. Come on. This game is really about momentum though. Once you lose your momentum, you are kind of fucked. Yeah, I totally okay. You know, I'm just not the right guy for this kind of game. This is definitely the kind of games that I avoid all the time. But I'm sure people that love games like Get Over It gonna really click for these people. But nice game. It runs well. Good concept. Well executed. It was made in Unity. Yeah, this is the game. Water Lemon. If you wanna go check it out for yourself. It's good though. And hey, if anybody's interested to playtest my game, it's somewhat playable already. It's called Biscuit Fever. I didn't push the latest update with the traps, I think. Well, wait, no, I did push the traps. But yeah, it works. Oh, please do. Give me some feedback. Neighborhood. Zelda, look at this. I have this line here. It has no houses. But the player doesn't know that because the camera cannot go that far. It looks like there would be houses the same as on this side. But there's no houses. Gotta save performance. And I need to make this smaller and put it here. So it's like you need to enter the house. Let's see if it works. I think I need to increase the speed for the sprint though. Noise. It works. Time. Okay, and you guys know what? Need to hold the food. Yeah, well, she wanted a biscuit, so she gets a biscuit. How much left of the biscuit? None of my business. If she still wants to eat it, that's great. Though my wife in real life is not a fan of biscuit. I mean, no, she eats biscuits, but wouldn't go crazy for it, I guess. But she does like biscuits. Looking for food. Give me a minute, guys. Good luck with the web version. Very jealous of Unity devs that have web versions. I do not have, can never have, unfortunately. Very sad times. The only thing that I can do one day is this. One day I can set up pixel streaming. Maybe with pixel streaming, I'll have some better chances. This is the only option I have for Unreal. Just give me a bit, guys. I'm still looking for. Good luck, Cloud House Games. I hope it works easy though. Hopefully. Wanted to order something from a restaurant, but they don't have one of the dishes that I want. I always gotta remove my food, you know. I went in to see your page again, Cloud House, and it's showing me this. It looks broken. It's in progress. Yeah, almost done. They require zip files? Yeah. Always use RAR. RAR. And you made me roar. RAR. Wanna buy a baguette? Baguette. And where now? Let's see if it does work. Or it's broken. Oh. The picture is still here though. Or you're just showing that you have to climb all the way up. How great it would be if one day Unreal would add web support. Would be awesome. We let it load. It will be loading. It's still loading. For your information, still loading. I'm still loaded. Just pulling your leg. Oh shit! It running. It turned black. Okay, so we have. I'm not able to reach the settings. Yep. Go ahead. Go ahead and fix it. Also got ear rape. Maybe you should, I don't know, lower the volume by default to a lower volume so you don't spook every single person that opens your game. Oh, leave me alone, Zelda. I'm always thinking about that and at the same time too lazy to do anything. Maybe one day when we have like 10 current viewers, then I'll consider taking time out of my day to make that. Look at us though. A Unity devs talking with a real dev. We're amigos. We're on the same bread. We chill. No hate. No bullshit. I mean, Zelda, what kind of emotes should I add anyway? Give me some ideas. I'll write it down. Oh, for fuck's sake, it crashed. Oh, AI. I don't know, man. I don't know. See, this is the thing. This is what I hate about game development. Like, look at this. I can go to my game. This is the same build that it's on. I will even open the RAR file. This is the same build. And look at that. Works totally fine. Yeah, that guy really had something against me. From my face. I mean, I do from my face. My cat and I here. Wait, make emotes of my face? Ain't no way. No way. My face? You see these ugly shit? You're gonna spook people away when they open the emotes chat. Gonna make some AI generated emotes, I guess. Just steal them from Google. We have AI. We'll use AI. Names. Or oh yeah, honestly, I don't know what to do about my game crashing for some people. Like, really, Really no idea. Oh, things looking different. You need to lower the you need to lower the NPM music. Come on, come on. No. Oh. I guess another thing you should add to options is mouse sensitivity. I think it's very necessary for this kind of game. Flipping to the ground. Oh yeah, no, I know that one. I fixed it already, thanks. Should be fine in the next patch. Wait, now it doesn't crash anymore? What the hell? Well, epic. So yeah, you should really consider adding mouse sensitivity slider. I mean, yeah, I guess I can adjust my own mouse. What the lemon, you trying my game or Cloud House's game? I don't know. You know, I got rid of some things to make the game file size smaller. So maybe that's why it's causing initial crashes. I'm not sure. Nice. All right. What the lemon? Let me know how it goes. So this is something I disabled, the prerequisite installer of like let's say if you don't have something installed, this could install it. So I'm not even sure if that's how it works, to be honest. Then I disable things like DirectX 12. I set it to only DirectX 11. I'm really considering just running everything on Vulkan. Maybe that will work. Virus, I've heard that before. I don't know what's triggering the virus. It's one of the files inside, one of the DLs, I guess. Yeah, antivirus be like that. I promise it's not a virus though. The antivirus sometimes pops up when it doesn't recognize some files, I guess, that never wrote before. And it's like, hey, this might be dangerous. Not a trusted developer? Damn. I don't think I will ever be. Need to move this back a bit. Okay, what else did I need to do here? So for the next build, maybe tonight, I will try to find some optimization, some stabilization ways to make the game more stable on multiple computers. By the way, what Windows do you guys have? 10 or 11 or anything? Yeah, motherfucker, right? Windows Defender, silly. It is 11, huh? Okay, I'm on 10. 10 definitely seems more stable. I only have 3 devices. I have my PC, my wife's laptop, and my own laptop. And that's where I test the game, and usually there's no issue. At least if one of us would have issue, I can work on a fix, right? At least I can do something. But when it's like this, where it's just other people that test my game and suddenly for them it doesn't work, like, I don't know how to fix it. I can't dig into it. I don't know what you have installed. I don't know what you don't have installed. You get me? But I'm glad to hear that it still worked afterwards. Man, it took me so long to do this. Like, see, my character slows down when I bump into things. Took me so long to make this work as I was not doing the collision properly. The collision profile was not right. Let me know, Water Lemon, how it is. Something I did was I deleted a lot of plugins from here. Wait, no, I didn't. I didn't? I left them? I did delete one. Yeah, there was one here, but that was just really unnecessary stuff. How about in here? Biscuit Fever, content, no, not content, binaries. Okay, yeah, I left all of these. So the game still works without these. I can delete them. Delete. And the game will still work just fine. See? So, yeah, I don't know. My game doesn't... The only thing I can think about that causes crashes is that I have some things installed, like those packs that when you install a new game, like Steam sometimes installs the distribution packs and requisite packs. I forgot what they're called. No, that's the only thing I can think about, to be honest. And other times it's just unreal bullshitting. Okay, let's see what else. Oh, why are you in the wall? But hey, I appreciate you guys testing my game. I'll definitely see about making it more stable somehow. Also, another thing I noticed when I ran the... It's pixelated, like it's lower rendering resolution, which is weird. Wait, I'll look into it next time. Bonk. Oh wait, I didn't have this enabled here yet. Crap. I put these cards around so the player can bump into them and block their way. What's wrong with WebGL? Didn't you already get it working? What's up? What's wrong? Well, it seemed like it was totally fine. Yeah. Still works. What should be doesn't run on yours? Look. Hey, what the lemon? Of course, of course. We doing testing today. Yeah. Tell me the name. Oh, that's unfortunate. That is very unfortunate. Yeah, Water Lemon, tell me the name of your game. Don't send link. It's gonna get blocked. I'll go try it out. Happy to. Cookies Steel. You actually wrote it like that, like a code? Goddamn. That's eye-catching. Wait, I just want to check something first. Any downloads today? 16 hours, 5 downloads. Nice. Okay. 255 views, 45 downloads. Not bad, I guess. Okay, let's see. Missions. Search. Oh, this one, I guess. Yeah, Water Lemon. This is the one, yep. What engine is this in? Another guy with Name Your Price. Bruh. Bruh, go to your game. I mean, you probably know already, but I gotta tell you anyway. Go to your game and select no payments. I think this turns some people off for the jam. You can turn it on after to name your price if you do want to get donations though. But I guess just for the jam, just make it no donation because it's extra. It's extra steps, right? Ooh, fellow Unreal Dev, nice. Okay, nice. Still, okay, this is not gonna download. When it's like that, I know already it doesn't download if it doesn't just like jump. Do you have any tips to reduce game size? Like I said earlier, I went and disabled, and for you too if you don't know, in plugins, if you don't plan to ship for Android, go disable all the Android stuff. Same for iOS. If you don't use Chaos, plugins, also disable them, and it will save you space. And then decide on your DirectX, because if you have multiple stuff selected here, it will also cause it to have higher file size. Oh yeah, I've seen that video before. Yes, I was looking as well for videos on how to figure this out. Come on. Sometimes I do download multiple IDs because I don't know. Eventually, it's like you get the better connection and it just works. Like it just did. See, the third time's a charm, I guess. I want to see something. Wait. Loop? This is the loop game? Is this the previous loop game that you made? No, I guess you just used the same the same project, didn't change the name. Let me enable audio. WSD to move. Funny. I should at least change the name, bruh. WSD to move, left click to interact, right click to crouch, sneak. Cookie steal. The contract is simple. Infiltrate the corporate servers, enter their cyberspace and steal the cookies and all their user data. You made it like that to steal the so-called cookies. That's funny. Okay, ready. Hell yeah, I like the aesthetic. Did you make the models? The shader? Wait, is there a shader? Everything has like a gradient. And it feels really nice. I like the gradient on the... Oh, this is nice. I might steal this idea. It feels so nice. Let them go. They're patrolling. Damn, we even got footstep sounds. Do you guys hear the game well? Let me know. I can increase the sound. Ooh, shit. Infiltrate the server, steal the cookie, escape without detection. Yes. Oh shit, the music changed. Oh, panic. Epic. I can barely read what it says there though. Mission successful. I like the texture. I really like that. I need to look into something like this. It's just so nice to die. Like, it keeps everything simple, but because of this gradient effect, it makes it different. Oh man, I don't know how to fix this kind of shadows. Yeah, I know. I'm just going around to look a bit more. Can I fall off? No. What happens if I exit now though? I cannot. I don't have the biscuit. Oh, I can use shift for sneaking as well? How would you do the head movement? I like this. And also I see how it tilts to the direction you're going just slightly. I saw another dev recently on Twitch who was doing the same thing, and their character is also tilted like this when moving. Oh, you have a pause menu on P. Nice. Escape works as well. Epic. And when I jump, it does this head wobble as well, like balancing himself. And what happens if I get caught? Hello. Mission failed, you are spotted. How well does the noise work? Ah, it works, nice. How close can I get to the guy by crouching though? I guess I can get really close. Can even touch him. Nice. Well, I have nothing bad to say about it. It don't exist, yes. Music. Oh shit, I still have my music running. Sorry about that. I love making hard games though. Cookie steal. Does this still get downloads? Does still get 2 downloads every day. Fancy. My APK has more downloads because I deleted my I accidentally deleted this. Hey, want me to give you a tip? I'll just leave this tip for people of the jam here. When you upload your game, when you upload like an update, change the name. See how I changed my name here? Change the name, hide away the previous versions, and when you do it like that, it will appear in the submissions feed here. It will appear like an update. This is why I'm getting some downloads and views, because each time I push an update, it appears here. If you are just replacing your download with the same name, it won't appear here. Okay, nice. Okay, I was working on the houses, yeah. Totally forgot where I was at. Let me check my food delivery, how it's doing. Okay. Yeah, no problem. He looks nice, he feels nice. So simple. Maybe also add to your AI like all around sphere. If the player is too close, detect them. Because you saw earlier, like I got really close and personal. So players can't get too close. Because right now it seems like I noticed the volume, like footstep noise, progress bar reacting when I was crouching, and even though it was reacting, the NPC didn't detect me, the AI. So maybe just give like overall detection around the NPC. If the player is too close, catch them anyway, even if we are back facing them. But that's just my suggestion. You don't have to do it. Pick me up and hold me tight. Okay, let's set everything to low. Let's see how it is. Wanna move my guy back. This kid guy. Pull you back here. Wait, where is he? Well, yeah, if we have the same like with GMTK interest in live streams with game reviews, I'll definitely do some game reviews again. Though I heard that um I heard the review period is gonna be 2 weeks. I'm definitely not streaming 2 weeks. I'll stream though for what 3 4 days, couple of hours. Man, is it just me or everything looks like? Oh wait, I lowered the settings. I forgot. Ooh, fallen. Wait, why can't I grab the biscuit just now? Yeah, that's crazy long. I know, right? I cannot grab the biscuit when it's on the water. That's weird. Ooh, I feel like sneezing. Ah, I think it's colliding with this. Um, so my sphere, this one, yes. My sphere is set to ignore vehicle and overlap everything else. And this has block vehicle. Wait, no, I'm ignoring vehicle, am I not? I know using vehicle is makes no sense, but thanks. Thanks, Zelda. Ah, getting those errors here. Spot this branch, but I know why I get this error. It's because I'm not detecting the biscuit. But that's fine. It's not meant to work anyway if you don't detect the biscuit. Where is it though? What did I want to do? I need to close some things because confused. Okay, so again, this is colliding. It's set to destructible. So sphere. Let's make sure we are ignoring destructible. The biscuit. We fall. We get up. I still cannot grab the biscuit. Um, and this one is vehicle. And I'm already ignoring vehicle as well, so why am I still not able to detect my biscuit? As long as it leaves that spot, I can find my biscuit. Hmm. Oh yeah, it is. I am using a cell shade. Wait, I'll turn it off so you can see how it is without. No, this is not it. What is it? Oh yeah, wait, I'm set to. Let's set the high. Yeah, this is how the game looks. Without the post processing. Oh, why is my ground so dark? This is how it is with post processing. It just adds a nicer, nicer vibe. This post processing didn't make this one. This one is from one of my older assets. Don't even know where it's from anymore, to be honest. But it's a purchased. It's a purchased cell shade. There was something I wanted to check. Okay, still blocking, which is great. Good. Well, I'm not sure why I'm not able to pick up the biscuit. What I'm using. Do they have like a multi overlap? I go near, says hello, grab it, I fall. Oh, it still says hello. I can pick it up when it's here. Oh god, they came. Oh, but once I leave, okay, okay. So I get it. It loses it, and then I have to collide with it again to pick it up, which is kind of meh. But okay, Zelda, no problem. I think I did try to make my own cell shade, but it really didn't look nice. Oh yeah, this is the one. Let's see how it looks. My own cell shade. Uh, it doesn't have outlines either, so it's lacking. Looks pretty close, I guess. It just doesn't have the outlines. Still looks pretty neat, actually. Not too bad. It's cute. Look, actually, now that I think about it, it doesn't look bad without the outlines either. It's simplistic, minimalistic. Out of my way, sons of bitches. Give me back my biscuit. Oh, shit. Um, Watermelon, if you wanna, like, just copy my cell shade. This is it. So we set here to post-processing, and that's about it, really. If it interests you. It's a very simple cell shader. Basically, just desaturate everything. Yeah. Do you want to see the other one, the one that I bought in the past, though? Look at this shit. Look, even my screen is lagging a bit. Look at this shit. Madness. I can never make stuff like this. Stuff like this simpler, maybe. But when it comes to crazy stuff like that, ain't no way. Ain't no way. Put back my outline, please. But see, the overall the shade itself is pretty similar. It's just that I don't have the outline. Maybe actually I should make the outline next time as well. So um, maybe it's less performance intensive if I just make my own outline in here next time, and it's simpler. Can make with stencil, I guess. I get up, I go back in, I can pick it up again, and I can get the fuck away. And one thing I wanted to do was wanted to increase this a bit. Oh, but I can also just go inside my biscuit. If I'm not wrong. Let me try the biscuit. This. Three. There we go. Oh, biscuit, you good? Are you going crazy? Okay, and this is the thickness. Thickness. I don't know. Just fiddling around with stuff and don't even know how I made what I made. Just a tiny split. I think it's enough so you can just see where the biscuit is. Like this. If somebody grabs it. Oh, the food delivery. Be right back. The Roblox sound. Uh, you've lost and your wife will go hungry. Damn. Wait, there was something I wanted to do here. Where is it? Where is it? Biscuit guy and yeah, here. Convert to validate. Go through here. If valid to this. If false, do that. Wait. No. If false, do this. I think. I can pick up the biscuit. I cannot pick up the biscuit anymore. Wait, no, what? Oh, okay, I know what's happening. It's because I'm removing it. I'm removing it here. Where is it? Drop biscuit. And all the way here at the end, I cleared the reference. So that's why my character is not picking it up. I might eventually change this from, at least for the player, I might change this from using the overlap event to an actual sphere trace. The way I do the attack, like the hit enemy, I do it like this. I get a multi-sphere trace, get all the objects hit, and if it's enemy, spank them. What's this? Do I need this? Oh no, I don't. That's all stuff. Because yeah, the don't. What else do we have here? Cursor, touch, generate multi-body overlap. If true, this component will generate individual overlaps for each overlapping physics body. When false, it's generate only one overlap. Because how many physics body it has, how many of them are overlapping. I remember reading about this in the past. How does this work? Okay, so I can still pick up. I need to leave and come back to pick it up again, which I really don't like. Okay, that's something to fix for later at 3 a.m. That's when I do my bug fixes at 3 a.m. Funny. Let me check food delivery. It's arriving soon, it seems. Guns actually. You god. Well, no, hey, hold up. I ordered 3 things. 2 things arrived already. There's one. The other one is in the kitchen. I'm just waiting for the third. Because I'm eating from different places. Because one restaurant didn't have what I want. But now that's how we are. Bleh. I was just pulling your leg. Yeah, food is coming in 10 minutes. What else can we do in 10 minutes? There was something I wanted to try for this. For the collision, I want to be continuous checking. Maybe that way I don't need to use collision enabled query no physics. What is it if I do it like this? So, you know, this is not exactly a problem, because when I pick this up and then people are gonna come, the biscuit will go away from me and then you gotta get to it again to pick it up, right? Whoa. Damn. I made the dash now with double space. It feels so much better. I really need to add the 3 things I need to add to the bat hit. 1, effects, so like dust or something. 2, sound, and 3, camera shake. When you get bonked, shake the camera. It's gonna be epic. Oh yeah. Okay. I was still working on the houses earlier, so let's fix that before I go. The issue is I have no idea what material is what. Oh wait, I can highlight. Hey, epic! This is the frame. It's also frame. Window. Man, I didn't know I can highlight. In the past, I used to suffer. Roof. The roof not looking very nice, to be honest. But I think it looks nicer with oh shit, I put the wrong window. House window. Alright, there we go. Nice. Okay, so everything's looking nice and dandy. Next question will be, how do I change the colors? What I can do is create an instance of these, a couple of instances, better said. Like this. And change the color. We have a red house. We have a greenhouse. That'll look weird. I might need to tweak the colors a bit later, otherwise it's looking off a bit. We'll have a white house. Not the White House from America though. And a blue house. Can I just drag them on? I can. Epic. Oops. And I think the white I'll only keep it for our house. Can you just drop it when I'm dropping it, please? Thanks. Look at that. The neighborhood. Yes. I do not. Blue house across the street. Let's go see how it is. Sorry, it's gonna take a bit. I'm lazy to move my character. I only want to see once. And I guess this serves also like a test to see how it looks from that side. Bonk. Oh yeah, look at that. Epic. We got some houses, colored houses. The game really is starting to catch some. I don't think I need to add grass, right? I shouldn't. I mean, already my ground looks like it has patterns, so I think that will do just fine. Oh, wait, I just noticed that these houses are the same color. These two. Change this to green. And this one. Voices. Red. Like this is fine. Oops. And my wife picture. I love sending my wife updates. Food. Food is almost here, so I think it's time to end. Should we raid someone? Do I have enough people to raid? How many of you are here? Looks like it's only 2 people, unfortunately. Do we still do a raid? Just to look fancy? Huge. Huge raid. Never mind, it's only one guy left. It's only you. Only you are left, Zelda. We're not raiding shit like this. Maybe next time. We have no raid. Raid today. Guess next time, because we really don't have anybody right now. And I'll just send you somewhere, Zelda. Stay here. Let me send you somewhere. There. Let's go. Alright, bye bye guys.